A man and a dog. A woman and her dog. A girl and a horse. A police officer and his horse.
A woman and her car. A woman and her cat. A man and his car. A man and his cat.
They are eating their sandwich. They are eating their sandwiches. They are eating their apples. They are reading their book. They are reading their newspapers. They are reading their newspaper.
They are reading books. They are reading their books. She is reading book. She is reading her book.
He is reading book. He is reading his book. They are eating. They are eating their apples.
She is eating apple. She is eating her apple. He is eating apple. He is eating his apple.
A family. A family. A family.
A family. A man and his son. A woman and her daughter.
A family. A boy and his father. A girl and her mother.
The mother. The daughter. The father. The son.
Two girls and their parents. A baby. A woman and her husband. A girl and her parents.
A woman and her children. A man and his wife. A man and his wife. A father and his daughter. Parents and their sons.
A mother and her baby. A father and his children. A husband and his wife. Parents and their daughter.
The father and his sons are playing. The boy and his dog are playing. The woman and her cat are playing. The mother and her daughters are playing.
The father is not reading. His daughter is reading. The children are not cooking. Their father is cooking. The son is not playing. His father is playing.
Who is playing? Who is drinking? Who is sleeping? Who is eating? This is my daughter.
This is my mother.
This is my bicycle.
This is my son. This is my son.
This is my father.
This is my bed.
This is my family. This is my brother. This is my mother. This is my father. This is my friend. This is my friend.
The girls are not sisters. They are friends. The boys are not brothers. They are friends. The girls are sisters. The boys are brothers.
This is my brother.
These are my brothers. This is my friend. These are my friends.
This is my sister. These are my sisters. This is my mother. These are my parents. Is my baby. This is my baby.
Are my children. These are my children.
Is my mother. This is my mother.
These are my sons. Is my sister. This is my sister. Are my parents. These are my parents.
This is our son.
This is my son.
This is our mother.
This is my mother.
These are our children.
These are our parents. Bicycle is big. His bicycle is big. Bicycle is small. Her bicycle is small. Bicycle is green. Their bicycle is green.
Bicycle is blue. My bicycle is blue.
Bicycle is black. Our bicycle is black.
We have 4 daughters.
We have 2 sons.
We have 1 son and 3 daughters. We have 1 son and 3 daughters.
Seven pens. 9 hats. 9 apples. 7 babies. 8 eggs. 8 chairs.
10 cups. 10 plates. 12 balls. 12 balls. 11 bowls. 12 keys. 11 flowers.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 0.
3, 2, 1, 0. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 0, 9, 5. 6, 8, 10, 12.
She is 1 year old.
She is 2 years old.
She is 3 years old. She is 4 years old. She is 5 years old. She is 6 years old. She is 7 years old. She is 8 years old.
How old is he?
He is 6 years old. How old is she?
She is 7 years old.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old. How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
How old is he?
He is 12 years old. How old are you?
I am 5 years old. How old is she?
She is 9 years old.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
You are my teacher.
You are my friend.
You are my doctor. You are my wife. Are you sleeping?
No,
What are you doing?
I am reading.
Are you eating?
No.
What are you doing?
I am writing.